Hey everyone, Silverlimey79 here. Welcome to this unboxing. Obviously in the live stream I said I had a parcel arriving today, so I've got it right here. We're going to get straight into it. I think there's about 11 ounces currently of silver in this package. Could be wrong, could be 10 or 11, something like that. It's the company I used just in regards to this purchase, Coininvest. They're my primary source of bullion. Right, let's open this up. I've been very well packaged. Did you guys, what did you think of the live stream for those that turned up? Continental Challenge winner. Let's put that there for a sec. Yeah, there we go, have a sneak peek of that. This one's a little bit more easier to open up with, so, oh, there we go. Yeah, there was a number of comments in regards to some gloves, so I now have some cotton gloves. Let's see what they're like. There we go. Let's have another look through. Oh, there we go. And top of the pile, the Queen's Beast Falcon. Yeah, I decided to sort of rather not wait and let the prices go up, so I thought I would effectively get it now rather than sit here waiting for it. Let's have a look. Might as well put the one glove on. Wow, very nice. I must say it's quite different in regards to when you see it on a picture. It's very, very different. Very nice. Show it to you again. It's going to be Queen's Beast week this week, so I'm going to be doing a series of reviews just for the Queen's Beasts. Obviously I'm still missing a few, so I'll just do the Queen's Beast that I have. That's number one. Let's see what we got here. Two Krugers, 2018s. The ASE, the champion. Got another one of them, so now I've got 5 ounces. That's pretty awesome. 2018. Wow, very nice indeed. Let's have a look. Oh, Somali elephant. Okay, yeah, I decided to go for that one. Very interesting piece. I see you guys can get the 2019s now, so just keep an eye on that. See, it's not bad. It's got like a sort of frosted detail in the middle. And then the elephant on the back as well, slightly, almost like a matte look. It's a very nice, attractive coin, actually. Not bad. Went for another maple leaf, just to fill the stack. I'm sure Yankee would be impressed. Very nice. Another Athenia now. Obviously I needed to make a stack. Obviously I've only got 2 of these, so now I can effectively claim a small stack. So I've got 3 of these now. My first 20, or one of my first 2019s. It's the 2019 Kookaburra. I saw this, I couldn't believe it was available already, so I was like, yep, I think I've got to have that. Love the design versus the 2018 Kookaburra there, sitting on the branch, and that looks like it's overlooking a sunset or sunrise, one of the two. Very nice detail on it. I will do a review on this in due course. And they've updated the effigy. That's the 5th effigy, Queen Elizabeth II. Very nice. And then I went for 2 of these. This is the I think the Phoenix and the Dragon. Wow. Encapsulated. These are the 2018 edition. The 2017 is very expensive. I think it's like €45. So I got these mainly for investment purposes. And another reason. Wow, very nice. So there's 2 of them. Have you guys got any of these? Let me know in the comments there what your thoughts are on the Phoenix and the Dragon. Very awesome coin. I think yeah, Pert mint. Let me hide their P somewhere. Yeah, there it is. P right over there. Awesome. Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the extra ounce there, so that's 11 ounces. Guys, thanks so much for joining me on this, this unboxing. Hope you guys have a fantastic day or evening wherever you are. And I'll be doing the Queen's Beast review shortly, so I will probably upload that either today or tomorrow. And as usual, see you at the next video.